Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize buy and hold strategy with PepsiCo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your buy and hold strategy with PepsiCo, start by establishing your investment goals. Define your time horizon for holding PepsiCo shares. Consider whether you're investing for income, growth, or a combination of both. Next, research PepsiCo's financial health. Review the company's earnings reports and balance sheets. Look for consistent revenue growth and strong profit margins. Examine the dividend history and yield as it indicates stability. Analyze market trends affecting the beverage industry. Identify PepsiCo's competitive advantages over its rivals. After gathering information, consider the timing for your investment. Look for favorable market conditions or price dips to buy shares. Decide how many shares align with your budget and investment goals. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Fund your brokerage account to prepare for your purchase. Once your account is funded, search for PepsiCo's ticker symbol, which is PEP. Place a market order to buy the shares, or consider a limit order if you're targeting a specific price. After purchasing, create a plan to regularly monitor your investment. Review PepsiCo's performance quarterly and remain updated on industry news. If you notice any significant changes, assess whether to hold or adjust your position. Reinvest dividends to compound your returns over time. Consider setting aside time each year to review your overall portfolio. Ensure PepsiCo still aligns with your long-term investment goals. Stay patient and stick to your buy and hold strategy during market fluctuations. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and consistency is key. Continue to educate yourself on investment strategies and PepsiCo's market position. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your buy and hold strategy with PepsiCo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.